Unraveling the mystique, what is NASDAQ 100 and should you invest in it? In this ever-evolving financial landscape, the key to profitable investments lies in information. One term you'll encounter frequently is the NASDAQ 100. But what exactly is it? Let's unravel this mystery. NASDAQ 100 is a stock market index of the largest non-financial companies listed on the NASDAQ stock exchange. It's an interesting assembly of ambitious tech, consumer service, healthcare, and industrial leaders, a picture of the market's dynamism. But how significant is the NASDAQ 100? It serves as a benchmark of the market, reflecting the performance of the industry leaders. Its influence is not to be underestimated. After all, it includes giants like Apple, Amazon, and Google. So, the question arises, should you invest in it? First, it's important to understand that investing in the NASDAQ 100 can be a way to gain exposure to some of the biggest companies globally, without buying individual stocks. Diversification is a significant advantage of investing in an index like the NASDAQ 100. You're not just investing in one company, but in a representative basket of companies. This lessens the risk of a single company's downfall affecting your investment. While the NASDAQ 100 is heavily tech-biased, this is not a disadvantage. Technology is at the forefront of our world's growth. The tech-heavy aspect of NASDAQ 100 makes it an appealing prospect for future-focused investors. However, investing in the NASDAQ 100 is not without risks. Like any other investment, the value of the NASDAQ 100 can fall. Changes in the tech industry and market volatility can impact returns. Also consider that the NASDAQ 100 is market capitalization weighted. This means the performance of the largest companies can disproportionately impact the index's overall performance. A downturn in one major player could drag the index down. Another factor to consider is that the NASDAQ 100 is US-centric, which may not align with your investment goals if you're seeking more international exposure. But how do you invest in the NASDAQ 100? You can do so via exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or mutual funds that track the index. This allows you to invest in the index without having to buy each individual stock. Before you dive in, do your research. Understand the companies in the index, the sector breakdown, and the risks associated. Knowledge is power, and in this case, potentially profit. Finally, consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. Is a tech-focused, US-centric investment in line with your strategy? Can you weather market volatility? In the end, the decision to invest in the NASDAQ 100 is a personal one. Only you can determine if it aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategy. Remember, informed investing is smart investing. The more you understand about the NASDAQ 100, the better positioned you'll be to make a decision. Make your choices wisely and happy investing.